Hello students, I am your math teacher Nagant Pratap Singh. You are all welcome in today's online classes. Today I am going to teach you question number 2, 3, 4 respectively of exercise 1.1. See the question number 2, what is it saying? So that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 where q is some integer. Here we have to take q as integer and we take for solving. I will later tell you how. Here see solution. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 6. A is denoted dividend where b is denoted divisor. It means in this divisor is equal to 6. So we use here Euclid's algorithm, and according to it, a is equal to b into q plus r, where you all know that remainder is either r greater than 0 but less than divisor. Here divisor is b, denoted already, and I have already told you. See, we take the values of remainder according to the divisor. Here divisor is 6, so all the possible values that we will take are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then when we take r as 0, then a is equal to 6 cube plus 0, a is equal to 6 cube, and this number is even. How? See, if we put value for q here 2, then see 6 to the 12 and 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. 12 is even number. Like this, when we take value of r is 1, then a is equal to 6 cube plus 1 is equal to r. How? See here also, if we put value of q here 2, then see 6 into 2 12, 12 plus 1 13, and 13 you all know that is odd number. When we take 2 as a value of r, then a is equal to 6 cube plus 2 is even number, r is equal to 3, a is equal to 6 cube plus 3 odd, and when we take r is equal to 4, a is equal to 6 cube plus 4, and it is even number. When we take the value of r as 5, then see a is equal to 6 cube plus 5, and it is odd. Here we have to put whatever we want. Suppose I will put here 3. Then see 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 5, 23, and 23 is odd number. Any positive odd integer is in the form of 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5. Here we can see 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3 and 6 cube plus 5. इस तरह से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 सॉल्व किया गया. अब आप देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. It is also very easy. And question is, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? Here we have to find out the maximum number of columns. And where maximum is given, it means we have to find out the SCF. But here we use Euclid's algorithm. So see how. See, two numbers are 32 and 616. 32 is less than 616. Now we have to find out the SCF of 616 and 32. Here use Euclid divisor lemma, that is a is equal to bq plus r. Now see the first step. Here when we divide 616 by 32, our quotient will come 19 and remainder will come 8. It means here remainder is not equal to 0 in step first, and we will write like this: 116 is equal to 32 into 19 into a. 116 is what? A. 32 is B, 19 is Q, and 8 is remainder. And we have to find, or we have to divide it continuously until getting 0. So in step 2, the remainder will convert into divisor, and the divisor of first step will convert into dividend in second step. And here when we divide 32 by 8, our quotient will come 4 and remainder will 0. अब जिस स्टेप पे 0 आ जाता है उसका जो डिवाइजर होता है वही हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर होता है. सो जब रिमाइंडर 0 आ गया तो अब आगे हमको सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, और सेकेंड स्टेप हम लिखेंगे 32 इक्वल टू 8 इंटू 4 प्लस 0. नाउ HCF of 616 and 32 is equal to 8. It means the army can march in 8 columns. Now see the question number 3. Here see, use Euclid's division lemma. In this question also we have to use Euclid's division lemma to show that the square of any positive integer, यानी किसी भी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर का जो स्क्वायर होता है उसका फॉर्म होता है 3m और 3m + 1. यही हमको इसमें प्रूफ करना है. और आप जानते हैं कि लेमा का प्रयोग भी किसी दूसरे स्टेटमेंट को प्रूफ करने के लिए ही किया जाता है. तो इसमें भी हम यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा का ही प्रयोग करेंगे. Here see, take let a any positive integer, here a denoted dividend and b is equal to 3, and b is what? Denoted divisor. So we use Euclid's division lemma. We all know that a is equal to bq plus r, and where r is either r greater than 0 but less than b means divisor. So what we take here, the values of r. So first we have to see the value of divisor. So the value of divisor is 3. So all the possible values of r are less than 3, and that's our 0, 1, 2. When we put the value of r is 0, then see a is equal to 3q plus 0, and according to the question we have to find out the square. Then when we multiply both sides or take power of a square, then see a square is equal to 3q raised to power 2. A square is equal to 9q square. How it will come? When we multiply 3q into 3q, then it will come 9q square. Here a square is equal to 3 in bracket 3q. We can write 9q square in this form also, 3 in bracket 3q square. Here a square is equal to 3k1. 3q square, here we take k1, and when we take the value of remainder as 1, then see, and after squaring both sides, a square is equal to 3q plus 1 का whole square. A square is equal to, after when we multiply 3q plus 1 into 3q plus 1, it means a plus b square का फार्मूला होता है a square plus b square plus 2ab. उस फॉर्म में हम इसको लिखेंगे a square is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं कि a square is equal to 3 in bracket 3q square plus 2q plus 1. A square is equal to 3, and in bracket what is here we can take in form of k2 and plus 1, yani 3k2 plus 1. And when we take r is equal to 2, it means value of r, here 2 we will put c, and after squaring both sides, a square is equal to 3q plus 2. The form is, try to understand here, bq plus r, and here the value of r we are taking 2. After squaring both sides, a square is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4. a plus b square, you know, a square plus b square plus 2ab, इस फॉर्म में इसको हमने लिख दिया. a square is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. अब इसको हम इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं कि a square is equal to 3 in bracket 3q square plus 4a plus 1 bracket close plus 1. a square is equal to here 3, और जो ब्रैकेट में है उसको हमने इस इंटीजर को मान लिया k3. इसमें देखिए हमने इंटीजर को k1 माना जो ब्रैकेट में है, यहाँ जो ब्रैकेट में है उसको k2 इंटीजर मांगा, और यहाँ जो ब्रैकेट में है उसको k3 इंटीजर माना. अब जैसा कि क्वेश्चन था उस तरह से हमने इसको प्रूफ कर दिया कि k1, k2 एंड k3 आर सम इंटीजर्स. k1, k2 and k3 are some integers. Square of any positive integer is in the form of 3m or 3m plus 1. Now, did you understand? If you have any problem or confusion, you may ask to me in my personal contact number. आज के वीडियो में बस यहीं तक, और मैं नए वीडियो में आपको एक्सरसाइज 1.2 लेके आऊँगा जिसमें आपको फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से एचसीएफ और एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना है. थैंक्स.